Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail world, y'all already see, man. Tired, low again, like I told you. Still haven't been able to get it fixed, but we about to go do that right now. Other than that, we still just got about 2-3 appointments today. It's a little cold right now. Right now, you see what it says. It says 38, feel like 32. The high today is supposed to be 45. Not sure when that will be. And that says it'll be 45 by 3 o'clock. Hope y'all be in the house by then. But right now, we're about to go ahead to this first stop, which we finna do this Land Rover Defender. Good customer, Mr. Mitchell, who owns King Baby Jewelry. If you're ever interested in some jewelry like a lot of the musicians wear, that's the type of jewelry he make. But other than that, man, about to get ready and head out. You know what I mean? Hit that subscribe button today. We've been placing our stickers around town and things like that. But it's a glorious morning. Got Betsy all warmed up and ready to go. Like always, man, y'all do what y'all gotta do so I can do what I gotta do, man. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button today, man. Let's go ahead and not wait today. Why wait today? Why do it today? I don't know what the hell I'm saying. So y'all gotta excuse me, but I'm about to go ahead and hop in this van and get to where I'm going, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Right, detail world, still en route. We're probably about another 7-8 minutes away from our stop. We gotta go through Brentwood. We really like Bellmead area. Got 2 cars about to do that. About to do this Land Rover, then we're about to do this Porsche, and then after that we got Mercedes-Benz. I'm not driving an 80, I can drive back out here, so I'm gonna stay out here, do all 3 of these cars out here, and then that last car's an 80, I go do that new customer. She said she just moved from Oregon. She wastes some coffee in her car, she wanna get it cleaned up, so y'all already know, man. We gonna get out here, do what we gotta do. You see, it's not sunny at all, very cloudy, you know, so definitely gonna be a cold day, the high 40 something. Like I said, it's 30 something, feel like 30 something now, so it's about to be ugly out here, man. But we gonna go ahead and do what we have to do, man. We stay committed over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service, and that's what I try to tell you, man. When you determined, you dedicated to your stuff, man, it's nothing, man. Only thing it is cold, but I made sure I dressed a little bit warmer than yesterday. I do have my extra pair of pants, which I didn't have yesterday, which I was extremely cold in the area, but man, about to stop at the store, probably grab a vitamin water, might grab no donut, should have made some breakfast this morning, but I hope y'all doing well. We're going into the new year, man, very motivated. If you're not motivated, find something to motivate you. Go find an audio book, go find something on YouTube. Get motivated, man. Don't go into the new year feeling down, feeling lackluster, just feeling not energized. Let's go into the new year with as much energy that we can, and let's try to translate that energy into what we want, man. You know, like it's all about manifesting, man. You really gotta manifest what you want, man. Talk what you really want to existence, no matter how long it takes, man. You just gotta be positive and know if that's what you want. You can't have no negative outset, man. You can't be pessimistic. You gotta be very optimistic, man. You see, this is a glorious day. Blessed to be here, man. Grateful. You know what I mean? I'm very grateful for what I have. Pleased with what everything that I've been blessed to do, blessed to have. Kids go back to school in about 10 days. So, you know how that goes. They relax. They enjoy their Christmas. They got some stuff that they like. You already know how it goes, man. Stay dedicated over there, man. Stay persistent. Stay relentless. Stay consistent, man. You know that note. Like, always, do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do. Hope you do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do, man. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notification, man. Hit a like. Share, comment, something, man. Let me know you here. If I'm here, I'll catch you in a minute. Detail world, what it do? We made it to this first stop, man. Like I said, we're doing this Land Rover Defender, and these cars are very popular now. Even the old models, a lot of those old models got brought back out about 3, 4, 5 years ago. A lot of people was buying those, and you see them a lot around Nashville. So I guess when Land Rover seen all those old ones getting refurbished and remodeled, they was like, let's bring it back, and they brought it back I think like a year or 2 ago. But it's a very nice truck. If you see this one, this is the utility one. It actually has the breather right here that helps the car breathe in case you get in a little bit of water. It actually has like a little service ladder that you can remove to come down a little bit. It also got the 5th wheel in the back. Also have this little utility box over here on the side. But the interior of it's pretty dirty. I haven't done the car in a while. He smokes too inside, so we got cigarette ashes everywhere. But we about to go ahead and get ready to knock the interior out first. It's pretty cold out here today. Like I already showed y'all, the high right now, it's like 38 degrees, man. So y'all already know how this shit go. Excuse my language, didn't mean to say that. But the car is dirty. You see it's an X Dynamic version. Beautiful car. It's a 110. I don't know what that 110 mean. Definitely need to find out what it means. We already got the matching stuff out. Got the buckets, vacuum, stuff like this. You see this neighborhood, it's a pretty nice neighborhood. Got the mountains in the back. Building a lot of new stuff around here. Even this house is nice right here. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. And you all already know, man. Do what y'all gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute, Detail world, what it do? Y'all already know what it do, what it do. YouTube, we finally got this Land Rover Defender done. Car looks amazing. I love that two-tone color. I love the rack on top in case you got surfboards or any type of anything you want to put up there in case you want to put a Christmas tree or some traveling gear, anything like that. But you see it, got the 22-inch alloy rims. Interior the car came out fine. Remember, it was cigarette ashes everywhere, things like that. But we got the car looking well. We about to let them know we done and head to our last stop of the day. We actually had another car, but it's so cold out here, man, and you already know. But on the next note, man, I'm gonna go ahead and head to the next stop, probably about 25 minutes from there, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. We just finished that Land Rover Defender. I'm about to head to the next stop. I'm looking at the GPS. It's actually 12 miles from here. Saying approximately 20-something minutes due to a little bit of traffic and stoplights, but it's actually near my house, so that's a good thing. So once I'm done, I'll probably be like 5 minutes from the house. So that's a blessing. Getting the house, edit this video up. Tomorrow is the 31st, which is New Year's Eve. Going to a party. Check that out, see how that's going. Y'all already know, man. Gotta stay dedicated out here, man. You gotta stay consistent, persistent, and relentless. And on that note, battery gets low. I'm gonna turn it off and I'm gonna catch you in a minute, man. Detail world, what it do? What it do? Back there, this second appointment. Doing this Honda Civic. And we already got the interior done. It was a little dirty, but not that bad, but dirty. No, not that bad. She had a few stains on the seat that she wanted to take care of. So we're gonna go ahead and hit that one more time. But the interior of the car look great. It's cold as hell out here. The battery's still in the, about to die. But she's more concerned about this coffee stain that was on the seat that was like right there. Now she got it up. But the rest of the car came out well. We're about to go ahead and wash it, dry it off, and get home. Which y'all already know, man. Be consistent, be persistent. And it's cold as hell, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Hey. Detail world, yes, we got this Honda Civic completely done, and it is still cold as hell right now. But like I said, we had to do an interior detail and just an exterior basic cleaning on the car. So we about to call her, text her, let her know we done, and get to the crib, man. Let me show you the weather. Right now, 41. Said feel like 36, but it's cold. Y'all already know, man. We stay dedicated over here, Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So if you can stay focused on whatever you got going on, do that. And like always, one love. Gotta love yourself before you love anybody. Remember that, man. You can't love anybody if you don't love yourself. And like always, man, be great, do better, especially going into this new year. My mama always say, if you know better, you do better. So let's do better because we know better. And on that note, like always, man, hey.
I was on YouTube watching TY38.